Hi, Parishan here, coming to you from my little iPhone and inside my car. Well, my wife is driving the car right now, so it's very safe for me to do the video inside the car. And of course, that's the nice part where you have your wife helping you with the car. Anyway, the thing that comes to my mind is that I just thought of this piece of content I want to share with you, and I don't want it to slip my mind. So one of the strategies that we recently used to promote the book to get more customers is to use one of the most powerful marketing strategy in the internet marketing world, and the concept is called a JV swap promotion. Now, a JV swap promotion simply means this, right? You find another marketer or another entrepreneur or another course creator who have almost the same influence as you are, or it could be even more or less, doesn't really matter. But the whole concept is that to work together for each of you to promote each other's products. So I did one recently, and the JV partner helped her to promote the book offer, and we got some sales. And in return, we have also promoted his product, which is a very good software to help on generating income by using by focusing on domain names, to be more precise. So the key thing here is that I want to share with you is that this is such a powerful strategy that you should deploy in your marketing arsenal. Now, just think of it this way: when someone helps you to promote your product, you are not doing anything, right? So all you do is that you're going to share your profit with them, and that's called affiliate commissions. But throughout the same process, you also be generating income for yourself when you're promoting your JV partner's product. So for me, right, after I've done this JV swap promo, what I'll be doing is that I'll continue to find more JV swap promo to cross promote each other's products. Now, just think it this way, right? It costs $0 to do this. It doesn't cost you any money. You're not buying ads and so on. And the best part is that this gives you results almost instantly, because the way how JV partners usually do the promotion is to send out an email to their customer list or their subscriber list and so on, and you'll be able to see your results like instantly. Now, so what's actually stopping you to actually do this, right? Now, what's stopping you to do this is that if you do not have a good product that can convert for your JV partner, or you haven't found a good offer to share with your own followers, your own mailing list, and so on. So the way how to make this work is that first you gotta have a offer that converts. So in this case, I'm using my book offer because it's proven to convert. And secondly, when you are promoting your JV partner's product to your own followers, your own customer list, and so on, you have to make sure that the product truly adds value and the product it's fantastic, right? That's the only way how you can continue to build your business for long term and strategically to influence your followers, where they see you as the educator and also the solution provider to their not to say their problem, but to their path to achieving their goals and success in whatever challenges that they want to overcome. All right, so that's for today's update. And if you like this strategy, if you like this concept of JV swap promotion, let me know and put a like so that I know that you like, and feel free to share this content, this marketing class. Thank you.